In this video, I will teach you how to save voice notes on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max. So let's get started. Now first of all, just open the Voice Memos app. From here, just tap on the voice which you want to save. In our case, I will select this one. Then tap on the three dots over here and tap on Share. Now from this row, just select the app to which you want to save your voice notes. For example, I will select the Notes app. Now, in some cases, you might not see your preferred app in this list. For that, just tap on More, then tap on Edit. Now, for example, if the Notes app or your preferred app is disabled from here, just enable it from here, then tap on Done. Now, from here, just select your preferred app, and then tap on Save. Now, after you do that, you will save your voice in the selected app. Now, in our case, we have saved it in the Notes app. So I will open the Notes app. And as you can see, this is the voice note which I have saved. Just like that. And this is how you can save voice notes on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.